Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University and coach to superstars just like you. If you get any use out of this video, I want you to consider subscribing to this channel. And please, if you want to do me a little favor, give the video a like so I know it was helpful for you. Let's go.
So I have a bunch of leads that are going to get handed to me today.
Okay.
From someone who left our team.
Perfect.
Some of them are about a year and a half old. So I'm going to circle back to all these people.
Yep.
And just reintroduce myself. Is there a good methodology of they never heard from me, but they heard of the previous person, just to break the ice?
Yeah, there is. And would you be opposed to me giving you the wrong way first, and then I'll tell you the way that I think is the right way?
Sure.
See how I did that? Would you be opposed? Are you against? See how now we're having a conversation. In my opinion, Russell, the wrong way to handle that is you've gotten a bunch of leads from somebody else that was there. The typical way is, hey, I understand you guys were working with David before. He's no longer with the organization. I'm now in charge of the account. Wanted to see if you guys are still interested, right? Here's what I would like you to do. I would like you to take your authority and your credibility, and I'd like you to put it way up here. How that sounds is you're going to call them and say, hey, this is Russell Dunn. I'm in charge of our client operations, or whatever you want to say you're in charge of. Hey, I wanted to take a moment and reach out to you personally. If they answered and it's a live conversation, full pause. Hey, Russell, how's it going? It's going great, going great. I wanted to see if it makes sense to blank, whatever it is the blank that you wanted them to do. When you say I wanted to reach out to you personally, now you're coming to them from a very high level of authority. When you say, hey, somebody else was working with you, they're no longer with the organization. Not only have you brought the authority of your organization down, you've made the company look bad because people are leaving this company. Nobody wants to work at the company that everybody's leaving, even if that person got fired. We don't know that information. It's just a negative thing all around, right? It's much easier for you to go, hey, I wanted to reach out to you personally. I'm in charge of everything now. And you don't even have to get into the fact of whoever it was. Oh yeah, so I had talked to whoever it was before. Yep, I've taken over the account. I'm going to be handling it personally now. Good news is, you can always leave it. The good news is I've taken over the account. I'm going to be working with you personally now. So you're going to be able to work directly with me. They're like, oh wow, cool. I'm working directly with the person in charge. So I want you to take that approach when you call, right? Is, hey, you could even say, I'm not sure if you remember us, but we remember you. It's a nice way to give them a little compliment if it's been 6 months since somebody's contacted them. Hey Steve, Russell Dunn here. Not sure if you remember us, but we remember you. Hey, I lead the team here and wanted to reach out to you personally. Got an idea I'd love to get your opinion on. Can you call me on my mobile? 720-660-3202. I just integrated the tonality, the cadence, and how you want to sound on that call. And they're going to be more likely to call you back. But same tonality and cadence if they answer. Great question, Russell.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, I hope you loved the video. If you didn't already subscribe, please consider doing so and leave a comment. I want to hear from you. Give the video a like. That's all I ask. I'll see you on the next one.